deep pink. Let's draw a beautiful princess. First, draw her head. Good. Now, draw her smile. Excellent. Add a neat hairdo. Draw a beautiful crown for the princess. And a pair of pigtails. How beautiful! Now draw a puppy skirt. Put the fancy frills on the skirt. First, a little circle. And now, a little hand. And another little circle. Don't forget the other hand. What a lovely princess!